Okay, good morning, student. Today we are going to start a new chapter from class 3. The chapter name is the Giant's Garden. And today I will discuss with you about the vocabulary, and that vocabulary will help you to understood the tale of Giant's Garden. Okay? Okay, so let's start. Number one, profession. Profession. The vocabulary or the means of profession is job that needs special knowledge. Mane profession mane hingkangke abu je kuno samung like occupation mane hai pesa samung mane hai je samungo nung kharui nini knowledge tongo nini buddhi tongo abo hai ekta profession je samungo nung khlayo like nung job khlayo abo nini profession like nung camera shooting khlayo abo nini profession hamani abo pesa. So next, garden. Garden hamani hingkangke cherero o garden ni meaning hingkangke bagan like khumbagan haida khumbagan aba hairong no garden hano. So next hingkangke blooming. Blooming hamani hingkangke abo bar mani tambar khumbar mani. So blooming hamani hingkangke bar mani. So next hingkangke entered hamani hingkangke hap mani. Story o norok nongnai charero kaisa hall bisingti hap mani abo no entered. Next hingkangke suddenly hamani hingkangke abo phat sake hamani quickly hamani. So the next hingkangke angry boys means jolijak khorang bai hamani jolijak khorang bai. So next hingkangke scare hamani hingkangke abo frighten hayakeba abo panic mani kiripra mani kirijak mani hani mano abo hai scare mani ta frighten kirijak mani. So next hingkangke no trespassing. Story o jeng nuknai no trespassing. So no trespassing means oboni means tamo hingkangke no trespassing sayawi habimanya hanmani sayawi habimanya entering into private land without permission. Sayawi kebo ni private land no habimanya hani jeng story o nuknai no trespassing without permission of owner hanmani. Next hingke owner hamani hingke malik na hono. Next disappointed hingkangke abo ni vocabulary sad haikeba kha hamya thangmani story o norok nuknai cherero kha hamya ongi thangjakbaikha tongthokjakya wngbaikha bwkhabai thangbaikha disappointed. Okay, so next spacious hingkangke abo kuar kotor hamani abon bagi spacious. Next snowing hamani hingkangke tam honbono borof ya abo hingkangke kothor klaimani abo borof haino borof no klaimani kothor klaimani ta. Wind nobar no wind. Okay, children. Bitterly cool money kanke. Marke kachang money. Tremble glui money. Glibra money. Kachang jagui. Tremble hano. Hall kanke. Balam no hano. Pretty. Next. Nighthawk. Window kanke. Tailam. Jens tailam ti nasik tongo. Chererok no. Window. Next. Weeping and sobbing. Kapmang hanmani. Weeping and sobbing. Next. Heart means dukho nangjak mani. Dunogjak mani. Kosto nangjak mani. Abon bagi example hangkai nung belai hard dangka nung belai sasaka hanmani abahai hard. Next immediately mani hangkai dakti khai. Next attitude mani hangkai abo kaisa bini character hai keba choritro life raiteri funuk mani kisa over ekta smart mani kahai abo a gents ni attitude ba amtino angani ro kemno muthungya ani o garden aba angsim se thungmano ani hai ke ungtrung tong mani abo bini attitude. So attitude means life raiteri funuk mani hai ke bini character abo hai. So allow mani kanke khlainani bagi permission mani hai ke ba khlainani allow mani. Next shout at mani kanke kece yang mani gents no jeng last chapter no ka tai charai no kutuglia you cannot play here obo ani se noro thungmaya hanai bo shout at khanglia charai no kutuglia. So shout at means kutugli yang mani. Okay, so tini bagai asuno. Thank you very much children. Thank you.